This parrot is always found asking for ice cream.
Ice cream. Give me ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Give me ice cream. Want an ice cream? Ice cream.
It's a beautiful time-lapse footage of a rocket launch into space.
Yo la quiero mucho, ella es mi perrita, la quiero mucho.
Littering on the road turned out to be a lifelong learned lesson for this passenger, as the taxi driver throws him out of the car.
Кажется, кто-то уже приехал.
This guy has captured a stunning footage of an active water flow that looks like an ice stalactite. This nice guy found this lost baby tamarin on the road and returned it back to its mother safely. Now getting a refill couldn't get any easier than this.
So the way it works, you clear your pilot chute and you go.
This rocket cycle can travel really fast. It reaches from 0 to 333 kilometers per hour in just 4.8 seconds. These guys played a broken TV prank on their father to see how he reacts to the situation.
Oh my god, Jessica, what did you do?
Oh my.
Oh my
god, I didn't mean to!
She broke the TV.
What an accident!
Oh, for God's sake! The f*** is the matter with you guys? That's brand new, it's like a week old! Videotaping this? This TikTok shit? Why don't you guys read a book or something? Sorry, Dad.
That's it for today, guys. I hope this video has brightened up your day. Please like and share this video and don't forget to use the comment section. Bye bye.